You know, he doesn't do that with anything else.
He's like, I don't want these damn Tums. This burger.
What?
He's like, oh man, why all the humans get him?
Human.
He is a human.
Adult sort.
Isaiah. Okay.
He's a baby. He's always a human.
He is a human.
What? He's a baby.
Get that burger, dude. Put it in front of him again.
Isaiah. Cheeseburger. It's a cheeseburger.
Dude,
Isaiah.
how can you get that and nothing else? Look at him.
Here.
Hmm.
He's like, give it to me now.
This one.
He's like, give it to me now.
Oh, he's trying to get rid of it. You don't want no Tums? Rub some burger juice on it.
No.